Hi Maureen, here is Alice on my way to work and just said let me do my quick video. I was doing my video for actually this is the second take. The first take was somewhere over there, but when I listened to it the wind was just too much and nobody could really hear what I was saying. But when I was doing the video, some lady passed by and she said, "Wow, somebody who has time." I was like, "What? I beg your pardon?" She said, "Someone who has time." I was like, "Yeah." It's like, are we so busy these days that we cannot even take just 5 minutes to sit down and breathe and lighten up? And that's basically what I was doing. I got up this morning not in a really good headspace, struggling with my feelings. The past days have been giving my power away through comparing myself with other people, what others are doing, and it's not empowering. Never it is. It's empowering. And so today I just got up and faced those feelings. I did my meditation in the morning, and then the whole time I've just been thinking about it. It's this thing about the internet. I have a love-hate relationship with the internet right now, where I want to put myself out there because I want to be of service in a way that I want to be. However, when you do that, you get into the internet and you get into other people's business and you start comparing yourself or what other people are doing, and you look at yourself and you start feeling that feeling of unworthiness, that you have absolutely nothing to offer. And so that's where I've been the past days. And plus the marketing, when you start really doing marketing, you start digging those feelings. Those feelings come up and you have to deal with them somehow. That's basically what I've been doing. Right now in my life, I crave connections. I crave real, authentic connections, and not on the internet. I crave connections out of the internet, not on the phones. I literally right now, I get to know about the people I care about more through social media than really talking to them, and it's kind of like a reported event on their lives. It's like the internet has become this reported speech about the people I care about, and I don't want it to be that way. I want to connect and speak with them, and more often. It's like once in a while I have real deep conversations with my girlfriend, but most of the time I get to know about her more from the internet, and which is not good. I don't like that. I'm a traditional person. I love just to hang out and have real connection with people. And me being doing the business as well, you really have to put yourself. On one hand, you have to put yourself on the internet and be there and show up, like you say. However, I want to show up. I'm looking for a way to show up in a way that I still have that balance, and I have some balance in my life. So it's a love-hate relationship with the internet and social media and everything. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. So everyone have a great day. Talk to you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye for now.